The 2025 Maserati MC20 continues the brand's legacy of Italian performance and elegance, blending cutting-edge technology with breathtaking design. As Maserati's flagship supercar, the MC20 is engineered for both track performance and road comfort, making it a compelling option for enthusiasts who crave speed without compromising luxury. Under the hood, the 2025 MC20 houses a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, known as the Nettuno. This powertrain delivers an impressive 621 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.9 seconds. The top speed exceeds 200 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest vehicles in its class. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures seamless power delivery, offering an exhilarating driving experience whether on winding roads or straight highways. Maserati's advanced rear-wheel drive system and limited-slip differential enhance traction and stability, giving drivers full confidence in every turn. Beyond sheer performance, the MC20 is a masterpiece of aerodynamics. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis contributes to its agility, while the sleek, sculpted body minimizes drag and maximizes downforce. The butterfly doors not only add to its striking presence but also improve accessibility. Maserati has meticulously refined the exterior with functional vents and aerodynamic elements that optimize airflow for better cooling and efficiency. The MC20's adaptive suspension system allows drivers to switch between driving modes, adjusting the ride height and stiffness based on conditions, making it suitable for both aggressive driving and comfortable cruising. Inside, the MC20's cockpit is a fusion of luxury and technology. High-quality materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather create a refined yet sporty ambiance. The driver-centric layout ensures that every control is within reach, enhancing ergonomics and usability. The 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the centrally placed infotainment touchscreen offers seamless connectivity, navigation, and media control. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio. Despite its race-inspired design, the MC20 includes practical features such as dual-zone climate control and multiple storage compartments, ensuring comfort even during long drives. Safety and driver assistance technology have not been overlooked. The 2025 MC20 is equipped with a range of advanced systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features help make the MC20 not just a high-performance machine but also a secure and reliable vehicle for everyday use. The carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, crucial for a supercar capable of extreme speeds. For those looking for an even more dynamic experience, Maserati offers the MC20 Cielo, the convertible variant of the model. The retractable hardtop adds an extra layer of excitement, allowing drivers to enjoy the roar of the Nettuno engine with an open sky above. The roof mechanism operates swiftly, ensuring convenience without compromising structural rigidity. Additionally, Maserati offers customization options through its Ferraizeri program, allowing owners to personalize their MC20 with exclusive colors, materials, and finishes. On the road, the MC20 delivers an intoxicating blend of speed, agility, and refinement. The sharp steering and well-balanced chassis make cornering effortless, while the active aerodynamics ensure stability at high speeds. Whether cruising through city streets or pushing the limits on the track, the MC20 responds with precision and confidence. The exhaust note is a symphony of performance, delivering an aggressive yet sophisticated sound that enhances the driving experience. The 2025 Maserati MC20 is not just a supercar, it is a statement of engineering excellence and Italian craftsmanship. It stands as a true competitor to legendary brands like Ferrari and Lamborghini, offering a unique blend of luxury, technology, and raw power. Maserati has succeeded in creating a vehicle that honors its racing heritage while embracing the future of automotive innovation. For those who appreciate both performance and exclusivity, the MC20 is a dream car that delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to Next General Rides for more in-depth automotive content, reviews, and the latest updates on the hottest cars of the future.